out to you, Donmily. Alright, hello everyone and welcome to another video. So this video is going to feature Donmily hair, and this is actually 4 bundles and a closure. I did not use all the bundles, however I have like about this bit left when it's folded. So picture this like just a little bit longer. What I will say is that this hair, the wefts of this hair, the wefts is very long. Like I get a lot of hair. So I am wearing a frontal, and the frontal came pre-plucked. Let me get up close to you guys. See that? I love how this frontal look. I have not glued it down or anything. That's what my frontal is looking like. And this is the length of the hair. It goes down to 24 inches, I believe, with an 18-inch frontal. Look at how beautiful this is. This is their Indian straight, and it's a little bit shorter, you know. I mean, it's long, but I got nearly dropped. It's long, but it's, you know, a little bit shorter. I'm usually like 30 inches, 28 inches. So going 24, I haven't seen nothing wrong with going 24, honey. I don't see nothing wrong with going 24, honey. But yeah, so this is the hair. I did get shedding, but I only cut like when I get to the top. You know, the top of my hair don't feel like it's done properly. Like I can still feel my wefts, you know. I had a lot of baby hair sticking up, so I used this climate control from TEAMIblends, this one. And yeah, so the hair is from Donmily hair. When they contacted me, I was like, yo, let me try Indian hair, because I have not been trying Indian hair for years now. I've always gotten Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, you know. And this is everything. You see that movement? And all I did was use my straightening brush, my Vanity Planet straightening brush. And as you guys know, I'm an affiliate with Vanity Planet, so I always have discounts linked in the description bar for you guys, always. This hair is extremely silky. Granted, I'm just taking it out of the pack, but it's extremely silky. And as usual, I'll keep you guys updated via my social media, how the hair is holding up, tangling or whatever. I will definitely let you guys know via my socials, you know, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter as usual. But so far, so good. Having some little hairs, you know, like fine, because I have a little desk fan out on right here, so it's blowing this way. I'm not the big fan blowing this way, you know, disturbing my little straight hairs and stuff. Yes, so far so good. I'm loving it. I'm loving how it feels, and it's very light on my head. The only thing I feel is the tension, but let me show you guys at this chemical kitchen. So I'm wearing the frontal. You can see the frontal there. That's my hair. Yeah, getting all up close and personal. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it, honey. Alright, it doesn't look bad zoomed out either. I love this so much. I love how silky it is. I love the length of it. You guys, this is good hair. Oh, shout out to you, Donmily. Shout out to you, Donmily, coming through with the good hair. Hey, coming through with the good hair. Hey. I love this, and I'm back doing my middle part. For a while there, I was doing a lot of side parts. You know, like I was a side chick, you know what I mean, like for a little minute. But you know, I'm back again with the center part, being in the center, you know, where she belongeth. So this is the hair, you guys. I ain't got nothing bad to say. Shoot, you know what's good hair on my head, ain't it? Shoot, I don't wear crap. I don't wear foolishness, son. I don't wear foolishness, son. What? What you thought? What you thought? So Donmily, thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. Again, it's their Indian straight, 24 inches. I believe it's 22, but I'm gonna say 24 because it got some length on it. But I will definitely leave the card length in the description bar below, as well as other you know, where you can purchase discounts. If there's any discounts, I will definitely put that in the description bar for you guys. So do go ahead and check out the description bar. My description bar is always lit. I have deals, coupon codes, discount codes. Y'all better get on that, man. Get on the description box trying, honey. It's running. Get on it. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Again, Donmily, shout outs to you, boo. Doing the darn thing. Can't wait to work with you again, honey. Let's see. I want to see what else you got in your little portfolio. You know what I'm saying? Your little archives. You know. I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. I am so hyped. Why am I so hyped? I love this hair, honey.